Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a vegetable. They are known for their slightly bitter taste and crunchy texture. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as cluster beans, cluster beans, cluster beans, cluster beans. They are rich in dietary fiber, protein, and vitamins that helps in managing blood sugar levels, support digestive health, and promote heart health. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about cluster beans, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.